Hey guys, so today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. I know I haven't done the past month. I didn't do last month, I did January, but I skipped February. I had to record it, just didn't get the time to edit, like always. So yeah, but this month I'm back and I hope to stay on top of them for the following months, but we'll see. So yeah, if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Alright, so this month's theme is vacation. Yeah, this is where all the prices are at. And the first thing I see is this Butter London 25% off coupon. Yeah. And that comes with this double decker Butter London mascara. And it looks like that. And that's the wand. I think some people got this and then some people got other mascaras, so there was a variation of mascaras you could get this month. And this mascara claims that 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. So that's some real high numbers, so I hope it's actually true. And this retails for $20. It says get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat and a 314% increase in lash curl. The interlocking nylon fiber brush grasps each individual lash to lengthen, curl, and multiply lashes from root to tip. Sounds interesting. I really hope it does do what it says. And the next thing we have here looks so cute. It's the Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. And this retails for $26. So, and it's this color right here. To be honest, I already used it. That's why it has a little fallout in there. And it's a really pigmented blush, actually. So really loose also. So yeah, this is the first blush that I own by this line. So, and I think from what I remember, it's really pigmented. So a little goes a long way. And I like the packaging too. Even though it's plastic, it just looks more like fancy with the little gold and then the designs it has. It's nice. Next thing up is the Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. Looks like this. And this retails for $23.15. And on the back of the box, it comes with like the steps. Step 1, 2, 3 test instructions on there. And on the brushes itself, it also comes with the steps. So it's like step 1 for the smoky, for the money. Step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl, go girl, go. Yeah. So it has like the little steps on there, right there, and like the logo on the other side. So yeah, it looks nice. I don't think I own any brushes by this company, so now I do. That's cool. Next up is the South Main 3-Eye Gel Packs, and they looks like this. They retail for $10. So these go under the eyes, and it's for like to depuff your eyes and stuff like that. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. Just look like this. Okay, so last but not least, I was really excited when I saw the spoiler for this one, and I think everyone knows what this is already. And this is the The Complexion Authority eyeshadow palette. It retails for $36. So this is a collaboration with Pure and Boxycharm, and I was so excited to get this. Looks like this, and then when you open it, there's the plastic thing, the mirror, and the palette itself looks like this. those colors look so pretty. Just like, I'm excited about them. I really want to use them fast. And it has like just like a lot of spring colors, and then that pop of color right there with the blue and that like purplish color. It's so pretty. I just can't wait to try them. Let me swatch a couple of them. A couple of the swatches right there. They seem pigmented, so hopefully it works. And this is, I think, the second pure palette, eyeshadow palette that we get in Boxycharms, because I already own one. But I kind of almost thought it was gonna be the same one, but no. This is so pretty. I'm excited for this palette. Yeah, can't wait to use it. Alright, so a little recap. We got the Butter London mascara, Pretty Vulgar blush, the 3 eyeshadow set, brush set, the eye gel, and the Boxycharm and Pure Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, which I'm excited about. So yeah, so that was all I got this month in Boxycharm, and I hope you enjoyed it and you give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll try to keep these videos coming and be on top of the game with the monthly subscriptions. So yeah, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.